Germany is getting a powerful new partner in the sky. It is called the MQ-28 Ghostbat, an unmanned combat drone developed in Australia by Boeing. Recently, Germany showed strong interest in buying this advanced, loyal wingman drone to work alongside its fighter jets. This could mark the first time a country outside Australia gets the Ghostbat. Recently, German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius visited Australia. He saw the Ghostbat up close at an airbase and said buying it is under consideration. Germany wants drones that work with its Eurofighter Typhoon fleet. Pistorius explained that Germany needs both high-end smart drones like the Ghostbat and cheaper simple ones. He wants a balanced mix. And then, German defense company Rheinmetall and Boeing Australia announced a strategic partnership. Rheinmetall will act as the system manager in Germany. This means they will adapt the drone to German needs, handle maintenance, training, and integration with German systems. Boeing will supply the basic aircraft. The goal is to have the Ghostbat ready for the German Air Force, Luftwaffe, by 2029. It could help make the Eurofighter stronger and more effective in future conflicts. If Germany buys it, it would likely be the first export customer. Australia has already ordered many Ghostbats for its own air force. The program is moving fast there, with over 150 test flights completed and production growing. The MQ-28 Ghostbat is not a regular drone. It is a collaborative combat aircraft. This means it flies as a smart teammate with real human pilots in fighter jets. It looks sleek and stealthy, with a design that helps it hide from enemy radar. It can fly more than 2,000 nautical miles without refueling. That is a very long distance for a drone. It can reach speeds up to Mach 0.9, almost as fast as many fighter jets, and fly higher than 40,000 feet. In December 2025, the Ghostbat autonomously fired a missile and hit an airborne target while teaming with an Australian FRA-18 Super Hornet fighter and an E-7 Wedgetail radar plane. This was a big milestone. The first time such a drone destroyed a target in the air by itself. The MQ-28 Ghostbat is still young, but it is already proving it can change how air forces operate. Germany is seriously thinking about welcoming this new bat into its skies. Watch this space. Big things may be coming by 2029.